बायो बा साफ करता ह्या दिसांनी सोशल वर्क
जाय रे बाया बी आमी सदां करीत आसता.
तुम्ही करना पंचायत करना म्युन्सिपालिटी करना
मग कितें आसता पळय पंचायत आमगे विकर सेक्शन पंचायत आसता. आमचो एन्युअल पंचायतीचो कॉस्टूच इन्कम आसोळ्या पंचायतीचो 4 लाख रुपया एन्युअल म्हणजे हाऊस टॅक्स बी. शेल्डे पंचायतीचो 20 लाख रुपया आनी एक बाय निवड करपाक 6-7 हजार रुपया लागता. सो पंचायत तशें तितले कॅपेबिलिटी म्हणून आमी केन्ना कोणें सांगलें पंचान सांगलें कोणें सांगलें आमी करीत आसता.
तुम्ही
आतां न्ही.
करतात?
कितलीं वर्सां आतां 16-17 वर्सां जालीं.
स्किमूय आहा मागीर
एक ती करता. दुसरें जें आसा म्युन्सिपालिटी भितर ताका इन्कम जो ऑक्ट्रॉय बॉक्ट्रॉय सगळ्यांक तो बंद जाला. सो तांकां इन्कम कंट्रोल जाला. सो तशें बंद आसा. सोशल वर्कर खूब करता पूण आमकां हांवें आतां न्ही हांव चालू आहलें करपाचें. आमचेच मनीस ट्रेन केल्ले मनीस हांवें तयार केल्ले मनीस आतां कोण यूज करता.
सो तुजो मनीस तो रोहन देसायान जे स्टार्ट केला तू आमच्याच मनीस ट्रेन केला म्हणटा पळय तो.
रोहन दसा म्हज्या वांगडा आहलो ना रे. तू खबर ना
पयलींची म्हाका खबर ना.
सोडून गेला तुका
ना पयलींची म्हाका खबर ना.
खबर ना.
तुज्या बरोबर
म्हाका
आहलो
विचारता म्हण हांव तुका
ना
सांगता.
तुका ते केला ते तुका चला कित्याक तू
तो
आमदार
म्हज्या
न्हू.
वांगडा आहलो ना रे. आमचोच पडटा तो असो आमच्या वांगडा भोंवतालो सगळे आमी ताका शिकयताले.
हां सो तितून तो ट्रेन जाला म्हणटा तुवें करपाक.
ट्रेन तो मागीर एक्स्ट्रा मागीर सीएमान बी ट्रेन केला ताका एक्स्ट्रा.
हां
So do you
पयलीं हांव वांगडा आहले
do you praise his social work?
No, I praise anybody social work. It is not necessary that only I should do. I have been doing, see, door-to-door garbage collection started from my constituency before I became MLA. It started small, now it is entire constituency. Segregation is happening, everything is happening. So we are improvising. And I do so many other works of social work. So everybody is welcome to do social work. There's no problem. So you must have learned from me only how to do social work.
पण ह्या दिस
But just now, say, 5 years back, when a Congress candidate was sitting in my constituency, he also was there before with me. 7 months he got a Congress ticket. He did some show and did some exercise and showed that he would do change culture and he will do this and he will do that.
केलें चेंज.
Mushroom became mushroom man. Mushroom coming, mushroom going. So mushroom.
Sir, he's
Now rains have come, no?
ना
Mushroom
पण एक सांग म्हाका ह्या दिसांनी कुडचोरी सगळे कडेन नांवांच कित्याक येता. रस्त्यांचो तुजो विशय मध्यान गार्बेजाचो विशय एक्सिडेंटाचो विशय.
पळय कुडचडे लोक म्हाजे मोगाचे आहा आनी लोक म्हाका सगळे वळखता. हे मशरूम जे तयार जाता तेय लोक वळखता. म्हाजें सांगपाचें कितें आहा वॉट एवर इज हॅपनिंग माय कुडचडे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी गार्बेज प्लांट हांवें हाडलो. आय नेवर सेड आय एम नॉट बट हांव मॉनिटर करता. ते खंयचे काल गाडयो खंयचे ते हेच्यो खंयच्यो त्यो युरीचे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन जो डंप आशिल्लो निकोमेटाचो कितले वर्साचो तो डंप काडपाक जाय आसलो आनी हांव जेन्ना एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर जालें हांवें प्रपोजल गेल्लें आनी that cost had come to around 8 lakhs. Pollution Control Board didn't have that money. So now Honorable CM, when he became Environment Minister, he has proposed to Environment Department, given waste management money, and waste management has removed a tender. And now that dump is travelling from Kukoli, Kepe, Kuchore, Sawadde, then Usgaon, and going to designated place. Now if they have a problem in that, do you have problem in everything? So I don't want to comment on
But
that.
why somebody is targeting only Cabral?
See,
कित्याक Cabral? Election लागीं पावला मगो.
Cabral does not take revenge. Cabral does not bother. Cabral is doing his work. Whatever work as a MLA. See, I have come to this stage after doing 22 years or 24 years of social work. I mean, continuously. For me, elections are not important. If people feel that Nilesh Cabral is not required, people will decide. No person can decide for me. People of my constituency will decide. Right? Nilesh Cabral will not get elected. कुडचड्या वयले जे म्हजे 28,000 लोक आहा पळय वोटर प्लस तेजे भुरगीं आतां थोडे वाडले आसतले सगळ्यांक म्हणना पूण आय कॅन एश्युअर यू टेक मी टू एनी हावस आय टेल यू हीज नेम. दीस इज माय कनेक्ट विथ द पीपल. ओ पीपल विल टेल यू द सेम नॉट मी. सो आतां कितें मशरूम्स कम मशरूम्स गो. आय डोंट वांट टू कमेंट ऑन दैट.
Sir, Rohan is an election aspirant and he's eyeing BJP ticket. Is it a good news for you or bad news for you?
It is not only in Kuchore. BJP has got candidates in all 40 constituencies. I only hope they don't have in CM's constituency. I don't know. I'll have to ask CM whether he has got somebody in his constituency who is working against him and putting the BJP tag. So other all 39 constituencies I know that there are BJP candidates in both the places.
ना पण अशें जाता बीजेपी लिडर जाय.
हांव विचारता सांगता मरे क्वेश्चन ताका. सो क्वेश्चन ऑफ एस्पिरन्स BJP is a very big party. We have the highest number of our कितें म्हणटा ताका members entire world. Which is the highest number. You can imagine how big our party is. So when you have a constituency, you have many aspirants. Who can stop you from getting? Party will decide. See, for me, I'm not today's BJP. I'm 3-time BJP MLA, already elected. Previously also, I was not getting a ticket. I got my ticket. 3 times I got elected. People elected me. Before me, also people got BJP ticket, got elected, got defeated, got again, went away. I have not gone away. I'm with BJP. I was when Manohar Parrikar wanted to contest election, I decided to give my seat and I would work. I told him. He had almost gone to resign, then something happened and he stood back in bench and he got elected. When the party a few days back told me to resign because some Congress fellows have come, they had promised, the party at the center had promised, the leadership at the center, the tallest leaders had promised that they would get minister. They requested me, I resigned. So where is the question of the ticket not coming to me? If they don't, I will have to tell him not to give the ticket to me, looks like, if that is the situation. But today, I am a Bharatiya Janata Party's foot soldier. I am a nationalist. See, my religion may be Catholic. I believe Goa has to be together. We have to, as politicians, we have to think about our future generation. We have to see that the future generation stays in Goa. We are called educated class. We have got almost 100% literacy. We are getting so many engineers, so many people studying. What are we doing for them? This, as a politician, I should see. If I cannot do that, then I am not fit to be a politician. But I am not at that stage today. If I was at that stage of helmet office, I would have done a lot of good things where my people, my youngsters would have got employed here. I'm not saying, see, expectation of employment. When I became an engineer, I joined at 1,000 rupees as an apprentice that time. I worked for almost 6 months, then I got my increments. But when I left my work or when I decided to do business, I left with a salary much more than a government servant. That is how private industry works. Even today it works. It gives you when you deliver. If people want to sit with their things legs up, then you cannot do. So there are ways and means of getting people done. So as a politician, I feel that the criteria for me should be, if I am in that position, which I am not, that we should think of not about dividing Goa or putting all communalism. I am a Bharatiya Janata Party, I am a nationalist. I am very strong to you. If you see my past, I have always stood by nationalism. Means what is nationalism? That we should work as a country. The country should progress. And
Who is
that
dividing
why,
then?
That is why I always stood. When I said Tamil Nadu land coming to Goa, why did I stood my foot? I don't know. Did I make a U-turn? You show me when I made a U-turn. I don't make a U-turn. Because today you can see 870 is the peak load. When I was a minister, it was 720. So what I had said is happening. It's going to touch 1,000. So you require power. We are not generating power. So I said you require Tamil Nadu land down. We'll remove both the lands. We'll put single land. I had said, which is still not done. I mean, it's getting done. Whatever. I'm not interested. Railway track. Still people are opposing. I don't know what is the reason. You have a double line. Which world are we? Can we stay at the station when a train goes? Whoever it might become. We are Indians. Today, our people are going abroad. If you see our population going from Goa, it is whatever reason, they are finding better patches there. So that's why they are going. But the patches here which they were occupying, somebody else has to come and occupy. So people of India are coming here. So why should we not deny them the fact that they are our brothers and sisters of our country? We are not Goa as a separate country. So we are as Indians, we should protect them. So I feel as a political class, you have to be very accessible, find solutions to smallest of problems. As Nilesh Cabral, when I was a minister, I'm still MLA, I am accessible to every person. People don't have to wait for me. They call me, they come and meet me. This is the accessibility. And if these people want Nilesh Cabral to get elected in Kuchane in 2027, the people of Kuchane will decide. He can come and make a report on my garbage plant. Tomorrow you come to constituency, see the garbage plant which is within 4 years. What is the problem? आता तिंगा वास येता म्हणटा आनी कोण हे म्हणटा तू राव मरे 2 दीस स्टे कुचरान तुका मुगे घरा कडेन आनी तू फुल टाइम राव वास येता म्हाका दाखयचो एंड यू सी हाव इट इज सो वॉट एवर आय डू आय पुट इंटरेस्ट सी म्हज्या मतदारसंघात अजून रस्ते बरे ना कित्याक बरे ना कित्याक म्हाका खबर हांवें जर डांबर घातलो आनी परतून फोडले तेच लोक ऑपोजिशन येवन पडटले काल रस्तो डांबर घातला फोडला म्हणून सो आय डू प्लॅन डेव्हलपमेंट सो आय एम डुईंग डेव्हलपमेंट फॉर द पीपल लायटी वयताल्यो पयलीं आमच्या मतदारसंघात आतां हार्डली लायट गोज उदकाचो इशू आशिल्लो आतां हार्डली उदकाचो इशू आसून 1-2 गोश्टी उरल्या त्यो हांव सीएमा कडेन करून घेतलो बिकॉज आमच्यो सिमटाच्यो पायपलायन घातल्यो ते फुट्टा इट इज बिकम ब्रिटल सो प्रेशर वाडयले ते फुट्टा सो ऑल दीस थिंग्स आय एम डुईंग फॉर डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ पीपल रस्तो टेम्परेरी पीपल हू आर देयर आनी हे जे इशू म्हणटा पळय खूब जाण खूब वयर सोदता म्हणटा पळय आमी कोणाक बंद करूंक शकना हांव कोणाक बंद करचो ना हांव कोणाची टिकाय करचो ना आनी टिका करपाचीच म्हजी स्वभाव ना हांव लोकां मदें मेळटा लोकां खातीर काम करता सगल्यो गोश्टी हांव देंवनी सगल्यो गोश्टी 100% म्हणल्यार जायना हे बांय उसपाच्यो आनी कितें तुमी म्हणटा पळय ते हांव करीत येयल्लो आसा हेजे फुडें करतलो आज येवन करना लास्ट कितले वर्सां म्हणजे ना तूं पंचा कडेन घेया जे कोण ते सांगतले कोण रिपोर्ट करतले आमी करून दिताले सो हे सगल्यो गोश्टी हांव करीत येयल्लो आतां कोण दुसरो कोण तूं म्हणटा पळय नांव घेता पळय तो करता करूं बरें कोण आडयता ताका आनी बरें करूं काय खबर ना पयलीं टुर्नामेंट जाताले आमी केन्ना तरी फर्स्ट प्रायज सेकंड प्रायज दिताले आतां सगळे फर्स्ट सेकंड कॉन्सुलेशन आनी कितें सगळें दिता सो ताका खंयचो कोण पयशे दिता ताका खबर आमी कश्टान काम केलां म्हाका आज कोणूय पोवण दाखोवंक शकना की हे पयशे म्हणजे हरामचे आय विल गिव एवरी अकाउंट ऑफ माय मनी. दिस इज द कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ निलेश काब्राल. आता कितें आसा तेजेर हांव काय उलयना. कोणें उलोवपाचें आहा तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान कॉमेंट येतले फॉल सकल ते मागीर लोकांनी कॉमेंट घालूं. But Nilesh Kabral is for the people of Kuchore first because he is elected MLA, and then if I become minister or a chief minister of the state, I will work for the state and the people of the state and deliver to them, and you will find my deliverability. This is my capacity as a how many years? 24 years in political life, and almost 35 years as a whatever, social worker. Not because of the name of social worker. You can go and I will give you names of the people where I have done social work, which areas I have done social work 35 years back, and they will agree with what I am saying. Not come as a mushroom and do social work for 1 year and then stand for election and then disappear like it has happened 5 years back.
Okay.